You gotta be vicious so you can be sweet. You can spend your life trying to be the nice guy, trying to do all the right things, thinking it'll pay off for you. Maybe it will. Or maybe it'll make you one of the softest welcome mats you'd have never seen. You see, because the thing that I learned is that being nice all the time, and if you look up the root definition of nice, it means stupid, foolish. No lie. I'm not making this up. But you be nice all the time, constantly turning the other cheek, and meeting fire with wind. What you will find is you won't have much capacity for yourself. You won't have much room to be kind to yourself. You know, you would think in practice, you practice being kind to others, and surely you could be kind to yourself. No. You done spent your kindness, and now what you have is resentment. So, obviously, if you know anything about me, I'm not big on just being rude. I do believe in being kind, and I am kind. But there has to be this fire in you. And I was going to make this message for men, but I'm going to teach this to my daughter as well. There has to be this fire in you. There has to be this problem solver in you where you'll take it as far as it needs to be taken. You know? That's how you navigate through life. You know? Some may say we're just too far removed from the warrior spirit. Now, I don't know about that. There are warriors all throughout this world, all throughout history. And no matter what you choose to do in your day-to-day, you still have to have that in you. All right? When shit hits the fan, you gotta be able to go to game time. It's game time. You know what I'm saying? So, people may have a lot to say about me. And I know I don't look like much. But when it's game time, I don't run. You know what I'm saying? When my number is called, I step up. And I'm less apprehensive than I've ever been. But even when I was apprehensive, I did it. If it meant standing up for the right thing, standing up for people, standing up for myself, I had to get vicious. I had to put aside what people may have to say about me, what people think about me. That shit becomes secondary. You know, you want to take advantage of me, you want to walk on me. You think you're going to have it your way and I can't have it my way? No, it's game time. I'm going to have to tell you about it. You know what I'm saying? It's unfortunate. It might be a falling out, but that's what it's going to have to be. It could be a fist fight. It could be a confrontation. It could be me telling you about yourself. It could be whatever. But I got to be prepared for that, and I got to be okay with that. And I got to be okay with being the villain in somebody's story. You got to be okay with being the villain in somebody's story. Stop trying to defend yourself all the time. You know, I realized that through spending large amounts of hours and energy trying to, you know, speak my piece. You know what? Fuck it. Believe everything they done said about me. Believe it. Let that inspire you to stay the fuck away. Because I have to face myself no matter what. I have to face myself in the mirror. In my journal. In my own personal life when I have to be a parent. I have to face myself. And that's all that matters. Not these motherfucking opinions. Not how I made you feel when I'm speaking up for myself, when I'm standing up for myself. Some people just don't want to get it, bruh. Stop trying to be persuasive with the motherfuckers who want to get you wrong. Can't stress this enough. If you don't have that fire in you, don't have that dog in you, no matter if you never pull it out, if you don't have it in you, you're doomed. You're doomed, bruh. It's the breeding ground for resentment. It's not good. You resent others. You resent yourself. You placing blame on others when you should be placing the blame on yourself. So I'm fine with this. I've been the outsider my whole life. What's the worst people could do to me? Or put me further on the outside. If you're on the outside, you're on the outside. Fuck it. Fuck how far on the outside you are. You're on the outside. Alright? Get something out of it. It's only going to, further strengthen that animal in you, that fire in you. And you're going to use it to some good because you're going to learn how to transmute it. Where everybody else playing the victim, being all fucking soft, crying all the goddamn time for no reason. Blaming others, depending on others all the time. And there ain't nothing wrong with depending on people, but you know where I'm going with this. While they doing that, you're conquering. Alright? Because it's this fire, this fight that you use to defend yourself that you're going to use to catapult yourself to a higher trajectory. You have to have that fight in you. Alright? Yeah, you use it for defense. Use it for self-defense. And you also use it to go on the offensive as far as putting that energy towards your dreams. Imagine if you use all that fight that you was using to plead with others. Try to get the story right, knowing damn well it's their mission to get the story wrong. Imagine if you took all that energy and you put it towards something great or something that you wanted in your own personal life. Alright. You got to be vicious so you can be sweet. Alright? I have a great capacity to be kind because I have a great capacity to be vicious. And then that's just how it's going to be. Alright, so best wishes. I just woke up.